Hello students, in this class we will start with physiographic divisions of Tamil Nadu. Physiography deals with physical features of the earth's surface, climate and vegetation. Tamil Nadu is divided into physical divisions of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, plateaus, coastal plains and inland plains. Now we will start with the first topic, Western Ghats. Here Ghats means the mountain passes, that is the gap between the two mountains. We will see in detail about the Western Ghats now. Physiographic divisions of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is a part of Peninsula Plateau. This Deccan Plateau is a large plateau that covers most of the South India. In this map here, the brown shade in the southern part of the country represents the Deccan Plateau. It is in irregular triangular shape. It is also said that these Deccan Plateaus were formed about 135 million years ago due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana. The topography of the state slopes towards east. That is, the plateau is higher on the western part and gradually slopes downwards in the eastern part. So therefore, the rivers of the Deccan Plateau flows from the west to east. Western Ghats. Western Ghats are continuous range of mountain. The Western Ghat range in India starts near the Sun Ghat town of Gujarat, which is in the southern part of Gujarat and runs approximately 1600 kilometers through the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and finally ends at Tamil Nadu at Marunduval Malai, which is at Swamitop near the southern tip of India. In the map here you can see the Western Ghats, which is highlighted in green color. It starts in the southern part of Gujarat and passes through the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and finally ends at Tamil Nadu in a place called Marunduval Malai at Swamitop. It is called as Marunduval Malai because it holds plenty of medicinal herbs. It is also known as Marunduval Malai or Maruthuva Malai. It forms the southern tip of the Western Ghats in the place called Agatstheeswaram Taluk of Kanyakumari district. Western Ghats. Western Ghats in Tamil Nadu extends from the Nilgiris in the north to Marunduval Malai at Swamitop in Kanyakumari district in the south. The height of these hills ranges from 2000 to 3000 meters. The area covered by Western Ghats in Tamil Nadu is about 2500 square kilometers. The Western Ghats are continuous range of hills. Though the Western Ghats is a continuous range, it has some passes. The passes are the gaps between the hills. The passes in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu are Palghat, Shenkota, Aralvai Mori and Achankoil. Some of the major hills of Western Ghats are the Nilgiris, Anamalai, Palani Hills, Kardaman Hills, Varasanadu Hills, Andipatti and Agasthyar Hills. Now let us see about these hills one by one. Here, this is the physical map of Tamil Nadu. Here I have circled the major hills in the Western Ghats. At the topmost it is the Nilgiri Hills, and at the southern part it is the Agasthyar Malai, and in between you can find the other major hills. First we are going to see about the Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills are located in the northwestern part of Tamil Nadu. The Nilgiri Hills consist of about 24 peaks with more than 2000 meters height. The highest peak in these hills is Doddabetta, which is about 2637 meters height. The second highest peak is Mukkurthi, which is about 2554 meters height. The major hill stations found here are Ooty and Kunnur. The Nilgiri Hills has about 2700 varieties of flowering plants. Nilgiri Tar, which is the state animal, is found in these hills. Nilgiri Tar, in Tamil called as Varayadu, is the state animal, is found in these Nilgiri Hills. Natural grasslands and shrublands which were found in Nilgiri Hills are nowadays being destroyed because of the tea plantations and cattle grazing. Next we are going to see about the Anamalai Hills. Anamalai Hills are located in the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is located to the south of Palghat Gap. Palghat is one of the passes found in the Western Ghat. In this picture you can see the Palghat Gap, which is in between the two hills. Below this Palghat Gap you can find the Anamalai Hills in your physical map. Valparai Hill Station is one of the major hill station found here. Alia Dam and Tirumurti Dam is found at the foothills of these hills. Anamalai Tiger Reserve, Alia Reserved Forest, Kadambarai Hydroelectric Power Plant are located on these hills. Hydroelectric power plant is the place where they generate electricity from the flow of water. Next we are going to see about the Palani Hills. Palani Hills are the eastward extension of the Western Ghats. That is, some parts of the hills are extended to some distance towards east. As you can see in the map here, I have circled the Palani Hills. You can see the extension of these hills towards the east. Except its western part, the major part of the hills lies in the Dindigul district. The highest peak found in these hills is Vandaravu, which is about 2533 meters height. The second highest peak is Vembadi Shola, which is about 2505 meters height. The major hill station found here is Kodaikanal, which lies in the south central portion of the range. Its height is about 2150 meters. Cardamom Hills. These hills are also known as Yelamala Hills, in Tamil called as Yelakai Malai, because the spice cardamom is grown commonly here. Cardamom Hills are located in the southwestern part of Tamil Nadu. The other crops cultivated over here are pepper and coffee. The Cardamom Hills meet the Anamalai Hills in the northwest, the Palani Hills in the northeast, and Varsanadu and Andipati Hills in the southeast. In the map here, I have encircled the Yelamala Hills and highlighted the other hills such as Anamalai, Palani Hills, Andipati Hills and Varsanadu Hills. Varsanadu and Andipatti Hills. Here in this map, I have encircled the Varsanadu and Andipatti Hills. You can see these hills extend towards east. That is like the Palani Hills. These hills also extend for some distance towards east. Therefore, the another eastward extension of the Western Ghats is Varsanadu and Andipatti Hills. Meghamalai, Kalugumalai, Kurangini Hills are some of the hill stations found in this range. Suruli and Kumbhakarai waterfalls are the important place to visit. Srivilliputturu Grizzled Squirrel Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the southern slope of these hills in Virudhunagar district. In this sanctuary, the grizzled giant squirrel, that is the large tree squirrels, are protected in this area. Apart from these squirrels, you can also find a variety of animals here. Vaigar River and its tributaries originate in this region. Podigai Hills. Podigai Hills is represented as Agasthyar Malai in the physical map of Tamil Nadu. The major part of the Podigai Hills lies in the Tirunelveli district with its southern slope in the Kanyakumari district. Podigai Hills are also called as the Shivajodi Parvat, Agasthyar Hills and Southern Kailash. These hills feature richest biodiversity in the Western Ghats. That is, these hills have a huge variety of plant life and animal life. So therefore, this region is known for its rich evergreen forest and also waterfalls and ancient temples. Kalakad Mundanturai Tiger Reserve is located in this region. Mahendragiri Hills. Mahendragiri Hills is situated along the border of Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli districts. It is found in the southernmost extreme of the Western Ghats. The average height of these hills is 1645 meters. ISRO Propulsion Complex, a test facility for Indian Space Research Organization, is situated on the lower slopes of this mountain. In this tableau column, you can find the names of the peaks in the Western Ghats. Its height is also mentioned here. Now, take the physical map of Tamil Nadu in your book and highlight the names of the peaks in that map as it is shown here.